Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal business account in a simple and easy way. If you want to receive payments for your business or freelancing work, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your device and go to the PayPal website. Once the page loads, click on the Sign Up button. Now you'll see two options, Personal and Business. Select the Business option and click on Get Started. After that, a security verification will appear. Simply click on I'm not a robot, select the required images, and complete the verification. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details. Fill in your first name, middle name if required, and your surname. Then select your country, country code, and enter your phone number. After that, enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password is secure and easy for you to remember. Then tick the required checkboxes to agree to PayPal's terms and conditions. Finally, click on Agree and Create Account. Your PayPal business account will be created successfully. You can now start setting up your business profile and begin receiving payments. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.